Hello everyone. Hello all. Today we're going to show you how easy it is to build a web app using Flask. In doing so, I have a link, my repo link in the description below. You will see all the code and the files of it. In this process, I assume that you have Python in your computer, as well as you have a text editor like VS Code, which is my favorite. In that, you start all the process to start this app is in the README file of my repo that is enlisted below. Here, just to recap, the first thing to do is open a project directory. I call it root directory, and in that directory create a virtual environment. The command for that is, in that root directory, the command for that is Python space -m space venv and the name of the virtual environment. In this case, you can just say .env as the name of the virtual environment. Once you have created virtual environment, then you can go to activating it by this command: source space .env, that was the name of the virtual environment, /scripts /activate. That will activate the environment, virtual environment. Once virtual environment has been created, you can go to installing the library. In this app that I am presenting to you, I have installed only two. One is Flask, another is Flask SQL Alchemy. Flask SQL Alchemy enables you to make the data persistent. Just like in JavaScript, you need local storage. In here, once you have SQL Alchemy, you can retain the data. Even if you close the computer and restart, the data will be there. So for that purposes, I have kept SQL Alchemy included in this Flask app. Once the installation is done, installation process is pip install flask, pip install flask _ SQL Alchemy. Once you have done that, you create, in the same root directory, create a server file. I have called it here server.py. You can call any name you like. So where you will write the code to serve the templates that will display your app. Once you have that file, you can create within the root folder, project folder, root folder, you can create another folder named templates. Within that templates, you can create HTML files where you will carry out the functionalities of the function, like show the listing, create add to the list, delete, edit type of functions you can carry out with that. So that is in the root folder, but not within the virtual environment. It is just after root folder. And similarly, in the root folder, you can create a placeholder type of data.txt where you will write one sample of data within the square brackets. Using curly brackets, you can have JSON type of data. JSON type of data only differs from other data in the sense name, double quote, colon, and whatever name you say John within the colon. Similarly, job, colon, within double quotes, colon, developer, within double quotes. That is how JSON file is written, which you can see in the data.txt file here. See, for example, you can see here ID, see double quotes, 1, name, double quotes, also value, also double quotes, email, value, double quotes. So this is the JSON type of data. Okay, once you have done that, that is just for placeholder type of thing. It enables you. Now all creating files and everything is finished, and I have another file here, readme.md. It will give you the complete process step by step of how to create this kind of app. Okay, so this is the starting point process we have carried out to begin our app functionalities. Okay, in the next video I will show you how we proceed on the functionality of the app. This app aims to complete the functionalities of create, read, update, and delete function with just a few lines of code, about 50-60 lines of code. All these things are done. It is very, very simple. So I hope you got some idea of this, and see you later. Thank you for listening in, and tune in for the next part, which is going to be interesting. Thank you.